This is the Teaching Professions program at Pioneer Career and Technology Center. If you've always wanted to be a teacher, teacher's aide, or work in the education field, the Teaching Profession program is for you. The Teaching Profession program earns you hands-on experience as you pursue a degree in education. The Teaching Profession program includes extensive classroom hours from kindergarten to middle school, working with a mentor teacher in a real classroom, developing a professional portfolio of experience. While in high school, you'll earn college credits from North Central State and Lake Erie College, Ohio State, and Mount Vernon Nazarene University, and advanced standing at Ashland University.
Hello, my name is Jay Follett. I'm the Teaching Professions instructor. I've been teaching at Pioneer for the last 17 years. I'm excited that you've clicked into our lab to learn a little bit more about what we do. As a part of Teaching Professions, you will take 4 courses. These 4 courses will hopefully prepare you to be an excellent educator someday. The 4 courses are Foundations of Education and Training. In that course, you will learn everything it takes to become an educator and all the careers that you could possibly explore. The second course, Education Principles, will essentially focus on the history of education throughout the United States and throughout the world. In the third course, Child and Adolescent Development, you will learn about educational theorists and their philosophies of education. In the fourth and final course, you will cover Classroom Management. In Classroom Management, you will learn a lot about how to set up and run an effective classroom. We will also go out and visit colleges and learn about their education programs. In taking these 4 classes, you will learn a lot about becoming an effective educator, and it will give you a leg up in becoming an excellent teacher someday.
I'm Rachel Hill. I'm a senior at Pioneer, and I'm in the Teaching Professions lab. When I graduate, I want to be a history teacher for middle school or high school students. Pioneer has really brought me a lot of opportunities, including being able to job shadow with different teachers and different age groups, and just so many different opportunities that I would have never been able to have when I was going to Ashland. I would recommend Pioneer to other students because Pioneer is a great place to start setting your stones for your future. They can really help you get the tools that you need that will help you become an adult. And I think it's a great way to spend your last 2 years of high school.
Take a tour of Pioneer anytime online or apply today at gotopioneer.com.